Before the recession, Canada was used to running a merchandise trade surplus of between $40 billion and $80 billion annualized per month. Since the recession, however, that trade balance has dropped to around zero, some months being higher, some months being slightly negative. For the total economy to be performing much better, we have to do better in terms of our export sales. Some of the provinces, to use boxing analogy, they're punching way above their weight in terms of their share of total export sales versus their population shares. Some are holding their own, and then there's a couple that are just playing rope-a-dope. The ones that are holding their own are Newfoundland and Labrador, thanks to its offshore energy resources, Ontario, which exports cars to the United States, and Manitoba. The ones that are doing much better than their population's shares would indicate are, of course, Alberta and Saskatchewan. Their share of total exports is approximately double their share of population. And then the two that are falling behind are Quebec and British Columbia. In fact, British Columbia, which has 4 times the population of Saskatchewan, actually exports a dollar volume that is lower than what Saskatchewan is currently exporting. Quebec is strong in terms of exports of aerospace products, accounting for about 2/3 of the national total, but it could be doing an awful lot better in the energy field, particularly given that there's such large overcapacity in the hydroelectric sector. BC does very well in terms of forestry product exports, accounting for about 1/3 of Canada's exports in that area, but it could be doing much better in both metals and minerals and energy as well. And that's, of course, is why Christy Clark is determined to establish a liquefied natural gas industry in the north of the province to serve customers across the Pacific in Asia.